Don Bosco Makati is my home, my second place in my life where I've spent 10 years in. Each experience unique to its very own place and time. I have went through different experiences and different lessons. Christian living reminded me how a subject doesn't need to be about teaching, about lessons, academics, but more of a way to express your own self with the people around you, with the people that you care about, and the people that care about you. Christian living taught me how to be renewed in the hope and joy of being loved by the people around me. Each experience, each time I have been in that class has gave me a different lesson, reminding me how love can transform a person to be good, to change him to do better. And each moment that I spent being in that class gave me an understanding about my relationship with my class and my teachers. Sir Paul told me that a lot of things can affect a person, different habits, and different people. That's why we have to choose the right people to be with. And for me, that was my class. My classmates all pushed me to be better, to change for my own good. We have all went through thick and thin, being in situations where each one of us were affected, but it did not hold us down. It strengthened our relationship as a family. Through grade 9 to grade 10, we have all been reprimanded. We have all been in a situation where we are all being scolded. But in that moments, it taught me that we all went through this together. And Christian living strengthened that idea in me and taught me the very lesson of trusting and choosing the right people to be with. And in this journey that I have been in, my fate as a Bosconian was rather strange, if I can say. Before, I believed that being a Bosconian was just being a troublemaker, was being a person that that can perform in technical duties. But now I realize that being a Bosconian is being a person that can be a family member to one another, a person that can be good in its technical academical subjects, but be good in being a very good person, a person that can love one another, and a person that can be loved. The retreat showed me how each one of us truly didn't know one another. We all had secrets, we all had experiences that we didn't know of. And through this, our faith to God and one another changed. It changed me because it showed me that God really had a plan. And it was through this of through my classmates which unraveled, and it gave me a renewed sense of joy and hope that people can love me and I can love them. And it is through them that I experience joy and the love of Christ. And when I was a kid, I had trouble fitting in. I had trouble finding and talking to a friend. or even making one at all. And through all these years, from grade 1 to grade 10, I've met a lot of people that taught me how to grow and to love. They taught me how to love someone, they taught me how to love another, and they taught me, most importantly, how to love myself. And I think it is through this journey of mine that I learned a lesson that I want to share with you all. And this lesson is about how you can't help but to fall in love with God. And I want to sing you a song that was sung to me when I was a kid by my grandparents. And this song reminds me of this very lesson about falling in love with one another and with God. So please, I hope you can listen and take in this message.
Wise men say